Thank you for purchasing the LiquidPro marking system, the latest innovation in the marking and locating industry. My name is Kieran, and I will guide you through the setup and use of the LiquidPro. Now, let's open your box and let's see what's inside. Inside, you will find the following items: the 1500 LiquidPro marking stick, a black nylon bag containing the following items: a rechargeable battery in an anti-static bag, a wheel for long-distance marking, and the operating instructions with warranty card. You will also find a box containing the 12-volt DC vehicle charger. We also offer accessories and replacement parts for the LiquidPro marking system: spare battery pack with 120-volt AC wall charger, 12-volt DC vehicle charger, and a 120-volt AC wall charger. Now let's take a look at the patented LiquidPro paint cartridge. Inside each case will be 12 cartridges, 12 replacement tips, and safety paperwork. That's it. Once you have confirmed that you have all of the items that should be included in these boxes, you're one step closer to using the LiquidPro marking system. Thank you for joining me. See you next video.